Good morning, everyone. I hope you guys are doing terrific. Today is the first day that my office closed, so I am now working remote, as you can see. I'm only like 2 hours into working. It's 9:09 as of right now on Wednesday, March 25th. Oh my God. I don't know how people have already been doing this for like a week to 2 weeks. This is ridiculous. I mean, my animals are driving me absolutely nuts. I can't focus. I kind of already miss my coworkers that sit beside me, but oh well. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing little updates because I do, am now working from home. I should be able to clean up the apartment, which is gonna be pretty nice, even though it's pretty clean. It's not as okay, no, it's not. Actually, look at all this. So I got a string right there because of my kittens. This is what I'm dealing with right here. I have this. So I don't know. I'm gonna be, going back and forth, but all right, just checking in again. It's now been 3 hours since I last checked in. It is now 12:05. This is really hard working from home. I don't like it. But, you just gotta do what you can to get through. I just hope this isn't gonna be a long time, because it's just really hard. None of the programs are working on my computer properly. Like they wouldn't work. But I have these little guys I have to deal with. They're just making it difficult also. Very distracting. And I already put them into a room and they started crying, and their cries are very loud, so I took them back out. But I gave them a pin topper, like the lid. Now they're just playing with that. And this little guy is just, he's being him. What? But probably gonna go take him outside real quick to, you wanna go outside? Do you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside? Yeah. Do you wanna go outside? So I'm probably gonna go take him outside for a quick walk and just stretch my legs for a little bit. So I'll see you again later. Bye. All right, so I'm on my lunch break now, so I'm actually gonna do the dishes. So I'm gonna do a little time lapse of the dishes now, so yeah. All right, let's get started.
Been waiting endless nights to get that call. Hung up on you. I wonder, do you ever think of me too? I'm stuck on you. Been waiting endless nights to get that call. Hung up on you. I wonder, do you ever think of me too? I'm stuck on you.
about to show you is something I've been wanting to work on for probably a year now. It's gotten worse and worse, but it is our guest closet. It is our storage unit and everything. So, bags, all of my wedding stuff, my wedding dresses right here. Then we have all up here, suitcases. That's kind of organized. I'm not really going to touch that. That's all of my sheets. Got my extra comforter, got an extra monitor, Christmas lights, Christmas tree, all of his fishing gear. It's pretty organized, but I'm going to organize it a little bit better. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. All right. So those are bags I need to take to Salvation Army. Back there is a bunch of my wedding stuff. These are all of my clothes I don't wear on a daily basis, like my winter jackets, fishing gear, dresses, my wedding dress, which I'll probably never wear again. Just this guy right here. Why? These are things I need to take out. This is what I was trying to find in the closet, so I just decided to clean the whole entire closet. Alright, so then we have all of our holiday decorations, extra comforter, blow-up mattress, all of my sheets, a towel. That needs to go over there actually. Hold on one second. Okay. So that is all of my electronic stuff, like any stuff dealing with like cameras or phones or computers. Our Alienware box that we don't really want to get rid of just because it looks really neat. Suitcase, extra bags in a bag. All extra his work shirts that we might wear eventually again, but he doesn't know. All of my beach towels. Yes, I know I need to probably organize them better. And then all of my pet supplies plus a beach volleyball. So this is what it currently looks like. At least I can walk through it now. But yeah, thank goodness I got to it. All right, guys, so that was my first day of working from home. It was fine. I mean, again, the servers, of course, my work just weren't cooperating enough with me. But I did get a lot of stuff done, like laundry I'm getting done right now. I finished dishes, I cleaned that closet. So other than that, it went pretty well. I'm gonna, document how this week goes. Again, it is Wednesday now though, so I only have 2 more days. but I'm gonna definitely document how this whole week goes with working from home during this whole pandemic thing. So, you know, this is just what I'm doing. But yeah, anyways guys, I hope you liked today's video as of right now, and I will probably see you tomorrow morning bright and early, and yeah. All right, bye guys.